Dear student, now I explain the experiment of relay and high voltage engineering lab. The experiment title is Measurement of Breakdown Strength of Transformer Oil as per 1876-2005 standard. Aim: to experimentally measure the breakdown strength or dielectric strength or breakdown voltage of transformer oil in kV using oil testing kit as per 1876-2005 standard, and also determine the breakdown voltage per gap distance in kV per millimeter. What is mean by 1876-2005 standard? This standard explains the measurement of high voltage. Apparatus required: oil testing kit, transformer oil 50 ml. Oil testing kit consists of high voltage transformer. Primary voltage range is 0 to 230 volt. Secondary voltage range is 0 to 60 kV. Variac or auto transformer, the range is 0 to 270 volt. Oil test cell with sphere shaped electrodes. Theory: the oil test in which the spark occurs the testing set trips is known as transformer oil breakdown strength test or dielectric strength test or breakdown voltage test. This is the definition of breakdown voltage strength test or breakdown strength test. This test is performed in the oil testing kit. A lower than 30 kV dielectric strength for a 4 mm gap of electrodes would indicate the presence of moisture in the transformer oil. The oil is poured in a glass container known as test cell. The recommended size is 55 mm into 90 mm into 100 mm. The diameter of the sphere or test electrode has been specified as 12.7 mm to 13 mm. The air gap between the sphere-shaped electrodes as 4 mm or 2.5 mm. The quantity of test cell should be drawn from the bottom of the transformer tank. The oil in the test cell shall be at least 40 mm above the electrodes. It should be allowed to stand for 20 minutes before performing the test to let it air bubble escape. A suitable gauge is used to adjust the gap between the electrodes. While preparing the oil sample, the test cell should be thoroughly cleaned and the moisture and suspended particles should be avoided. The voltmeter is connected to the primary side of the high voltage transformer but calibrated on the high voltage side. This is the oil testing kit image. First column: unit delay indicator, HT limit indicator, memory push button. Next, charging voltage, which is measured in the meter, that is in kV. Then variac or auto transformer. Next, high tension on, that means HT on indicator, HT off indicator, HT on push button. Then mains on indicator, fuse mains in the form of toggle switch. Then test cell with the electrodes. The left hand side figure, 2 electrodes, sphere shaped electrodes. This is the test cell made up of glass. The oil level indicator is there. The second figure is 2 electrodes. In between the electrodes, breakdown occurs in the form of electric arc, which is shown in the figure. Circuit diagram. First, 230 volt AC power supply, circuit breaker, variac, high voltage voltmeter, that is charging voltage voltmeter, high voltage transformer, then glass test cell. Inside the glass test cell, transformer oil, 2 sphere shaped electrodes. The gap between the electrode is 4 mm gap. Precautions. The transformer oil should be free from moisture content. Gaps should be premises. Nobody should go near the high voltage bushing when the test being conducted. Ignore the first 1 or 2 readings. That means we are taking minimum 2 or 3 readings. The average value only consider as a breakdown strength of the transformer oil for the given sample. The air between the electrodes may not ionize. The equipment must be grounded firmly. The electrodes must be cleaned properly before and after the use. Don't touch the equipment without grounding it with the grounding rod or discharging rod. Before starting the experiment, make sure the electrodes are properly aligned and zero reading is adjusted. Procedure. The experimental circuit is as shown in the figure. The gap distance between the electrodes is adjusted using gauge and oil is filled above the electrode level. Close the top door. Ensure that the auto transformer is in zero position. Suppose the auto transformer is not in zero position means the unit ready indicator lamp never glow. That's why auto transformer is in zero position. Now switch on the main supply. Unit ready, mains on and HT off indicators glow. Then press HT on push button. Now HT on indicator glows and HT off indicator is off. Input voltage to the high voltage transformer is increased with the help of variac. The rate of rise of voltage is kept uniform at about 1 kV per second, starting from 0 up to value producing the breakdown occurs between the electrodes. When the gap between the electrodes break down, that is in the form of electric arc, the circuit breaker is tripped, which disconnects the testing kit from the main supply. Now press the memory push button. Read the breakdown voltage which is shown in the high voltage voltmeter, that is charging voltage voltmeter, and note down the breakdown voltage which is tabulated in the tabular column. After each breakdown, the oil is generally stirred between the electrodes by means of clean dry glass rod, and as far as possible air bubbles that is formation is avoided. The test is performed with 2 or 3 consecutive samples of transformer oil turn by turn. The readings also is taken with 2 or 3 readings. The average value only is considered as a breakdown strength of the transformer oil. In the dielectric strength test of the transformer oil, the test voltage should be raised to the specified value, or the breakdown voltage if it is less, at a uniform rate in 10 to 15 seconds and maintain for a 1 minute. Preliminary arcing should be ignored. The breakdown voltage is the voltage at which sustained arcing takes place. Test voltage should not be raised beyond 55 kV as flashover through the air takes place. Now you see the conduction demo video for this experiment. Students, now see the demo of measurement of breakdown of transformer oil test.
Now I explain the conduction part of the measurement of breakdown strength of transformer oil using transformer oil testing kit as per IS standard 1876-2005. What is the standard 1876-2005 is nothing but the measurement of the voltage, that means high voltage between the gap. Okay, now you see this is the control panel. This is the relay unit indicating lamp. This is the high tension limit indicating lamp. This is the memory push button. What is the use of this one and all? You can suppose that means we never listen this what the voltage, the breakdown voltage means. You can press this button means automatically we can know about the voltage measurement. This is the variable transformer. The function is similar to auto transformer. The range is 0 volt to 270 volt. The kit total is nothing but 0 to 60 kV oil test kit only. So this is the high tension on indicating lamp. This is the high tension off indicating lamp. This is the high tension push button switch. This is the toggle switch for mains on. This is the fuse. This is the main on indicating lamp. This is the test cell. You can see test cell and all in between spear shaped 2 electrode is there. The in between gap how to you can adjust means inside only you can here only you can adjust. Okay, so this is the top, that means kit of this test cell only. The for gap measurement, this is the 4 centimeter. Okay, gap, then this is the 3 centimeter. So you can this is and all you can fix in between the spear gap of the 2 electrodes. Okay, now you can adjust this spear and all. You can after that this you will measure by using this scale. You can know what is the spear gap between the 2 electrodes. And then this is the high voltage transformer. So here this is the primary winding, secondary winding. So in between that means what is the bushing, top bushing is there. This is these 2 lead, that means for fixing the test cell only. Okay, so before you have to switch on this test kit, you have to wear the rubber gloves. So the maximum voltage capable is here you see 11 kV volt only we are. Then you can close this only, you can properly you can close fixing this test cell. Okay, then you can fix inside this one. Okay, so you can fix. Okay, now you can close the door only. Close the door. After that you can switch on the power supply. Then you can switch on the main switch. Now you see the auto transformer is in the 0 position. So therefore the high tension off indicating lamp also glowing and then main also glowing. The test also is ready for experiment. Suppose the auto transformer is not in the 0 position means automatically the unit ready indicating lamp is switched off. Okay, now this is the proper position. This is the first safety precaution. Then you can switch, you can press the high tension push button. Okay, now that means this high tension off indicating lamp that is switched off, but high tension on, this is the glowing only. So now you can vary the auto transformer, okay, without gap. So the break down occurs between the 2 electrode gap. So now how can you show me? You can press this memory push button. So here 0, 20. So that means 24 is the kV, 24 kV is the breakdown voltage. Then the spark and all, how can once again I show him and all. Now you see no the spark that means occurs in between the two electrodes. This is the conduction part of the breakdown strength of the transformer oil.